In this video, you'll learn how to turn the camera flash on and off on your Google Pixel 4 or 4 XL. This guide will help you adjust your flash settings to enhance your photography experience in various lighting conditions. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 4 or 4 XL. Locate and open the camera app from your home screen. Ensure that you are in photo mode to access the flash settings easily. Once the camera interface is displayed, look at the top of the screen where you will find various camera options. The flash icon should be visible in this area. This is the control point for managing the flash behavior, and it indicates that the camera is ready for your adjustments. Next, tap on the flash icon to reveal the available flash settings. You will see options labeled on, off, and auto. Each of these settings dictates how the flash will behave when you take photos. For instance, selecting auto means the flash will activate only when the camera detects low light conditions. Carefully review these options before making your selection to ensure optimal results based on your current lighting situation. After you've accessed the flash settings, you can proceed to enable or disable the flash. If you want the flash to fire with every photo, select on. Conversely, if you prefer to turn the flash off completely, choose off. The change will take effect immediately, allowing you to see the new setting in action. It is advisable to take a test photo afterward to verify that the flash setting meets your needs. If the results are not satisfactory, you can easily adjust the flash setting again. This flexibility allows you to improve photo quality in different environments, whether it is a well-lit setting. You can switch between the flash settings at any time while using the camera and ensuring you have the right configuration for every shot. Keep in mind that using flash in bright conditions may wash out your images, while in low light situations, it can significantly enhance clarity. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.